Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive.
Hello, I'm Selena. I'm here to make you a special and amazing editor. I have an editor tutorial every day of the week, so join me.
Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then. Oh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. Searching for the moments I'm a little less empty inside. Few late nights cause nobody seems to make the time. And I don't know how to do this right. No, I don't know how the years gone by. Searching for the moments I'm a little less 25. Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then. Oh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. It's all that I needed. I want that feeling. It's all that I need.
Thank you very much for being with me until the end of the video. If you have any comments, I will read and answer as much as I can. Like and give me energy. I love you very much and wait for my next video. Stars are born. They cannot be made.